like it.
I could fuck the biz, I fuck it up for the swag. I might hit the season, I might fuck up on a yacht. I might be a bastard, I might fuck him on the yacht. I might be a bastard, I might kick him out that spot. I might be a bastard, I might move him out that spot.
Ride out day, fam. We have a ride out today. And so I'm just gonna be vlogging everything, I guess. The vlogging scene is still it's a little new to me. So we're gonna try to make this work. But welcome to the messy setup. We got John Hicks playing, you feel me? And before we head out, obviously we gotta smoke. We got the silicone bong. Might need some cleaning here, I'm not gonna lie. That bitch is brown as fuck. Some good shit in there, my boy. Y'all can smoke with me if you want. I'm gonna make this a regular thing. We gonna smoke every time before we ride. Every fucking time. Cheers, boys.
Alright, boys. We're back on the bike. We're almost meeting up with the homies. Pretty much at the meetup spot now. Damn, we all migrated in the shade?
Pretty. I hope they don't fall, man.
You said what?
I hope they don't fall.
I know. You know where you're going now?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Safe, guys.
Thank you. Yes, the jump. Hit it. Hit it.
What jump? Right here? No! Late then, bro.
Alright. Yeah, I'm at 70.
Oh, you want me to lead?
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. Damn!
I put it as a perfect.
I see the stars and the planets unfold. Expect to
Hey, boy!
universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait.
Look at my tires. Tires are expensive. Those are not good. This thing on.
Dude, you got shit on the tire, bro.
Oh!
motherfucker. Yeah, what? Oh my god. I can't pick up the fucking bike going more than 20 miles a fucking hour. I think someone wanted canes. I don't know who. Yo! Yo, I need a large lemonade.
Large lemonade?
Yeah.
Sure. That'll be all for you?
Yeah, that's it.
I can never switch, nigga. Heard your boyfriend was a bitch, nigga. If he run up, he get this figure. Keep the 30 on me at the club, bigger. Perky with the lid, God. Have a little nigga feeling big, God. I'm so high I can't get up. Codeine give a nigga head, God. Put your bands in the X3, God. He a broke nigga, need a fix, up. He a whole nigga, need a pill, huh? Big gun walk with a lil, huh? I want a big house in the hills, with a cabinet full of pills, don't really like cheap thrills, that's why I go out and get real ones. I don't think there's any real ones, so I went out and I bought a new gun. She said she looking for a new man. I was out trying to kill one. Load it up, Perky said pop top, throw it up. Codeine cup got me poured up. She a big cup, more the butter. She gon' let me crack, let the morning know. I was in my feelings too much, tryna open up. Crash my car, so I had to get a new one. Good driven Franklin, I counted, I might leave the blue one. Fun niggas talking about they neck, but never do that. Fun niggas barking just like a pig, but never bite nothing. If he wanna fight, 40 bite like Tyson. I said I make it bite Mike Tyson. He done ran up on the wrong one, cause I mean the right one. I can never switch, nigga. Heard your boyfriend was a bitch, nigga. If he run up, he get this figure. Keep the 30 on me at the club, bigger. Perky with the lid, God. Have a little nigga feeling big, God. I'm so high I can't get up. Codeine give a nigga head, God. Put your hands in the X3, God. He a broke nigga, need a fix, up. He a whole nigga, need a pill, huh? Big gun walk with a lil, huh? I want a big house in the hills, with a cabinet full of pills, don't really like cheap thrills, that's why I go out and get real ones.
We were chilling. Why didn't we just go to Fuzzy's to charge up quick?
Guys, look behind you. Look behind you. Peter, shut up. Hey, it's about time to go. Probably solid. Hey, look. We're gonna have our guys. Tricky break.
You said what?
That's a tricky break.
Andre, where are people charging at?
Fuzzies.
Fuzzies? This way. Got dibs. We got dibs. We got dibs.
Oh, I like your tires. Thank you. I'm charging right here. No, go to that one. Go to that one right there.
There's so many right here, dude. There's another one. Where's the other 70 people?
Yeah, we did lose like 20 people.
Damn, you said what?
Is there any more spots we could charge?
There's a couple spots I know of. There's some at Cherry.
Oh yeah.
There's like 8.
Let's go over to Cherry.
You guys want to go to Cherry?
Hey, let's go over to Cherry.
We're about to go right around and head over to the North Loop.
No, oh, they locked up the they locked those up.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go over to Cherry.
Yeah. But Cherry only has 8 though.
No, they lock like all the ones in Cherry too. All the boxes are locked.
The breakers?
Yeah.
The ones on the
The
other
walker,
side.
right? Sunrise Drive,
North Loop
right?
by the.
No, there's a couple of chairs, but not enough.
Boyfriend was a bitch, nigga.